Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are solving mathematical physics written by H.K. Das, and today we are going to solve question number 1 of Fourier series, that is of exercise 11.4. So in this question, students, we have to represent a Fourier function for the function which is minus a in between the limits from minus c to 0 and which is a in between the limits from 0 to c. So students, here we can see that if I will put the value of the function as minus x, then we will get the function as minus x. If we will put the function as a positive number, then we will get the function as positive number. So what does this mean? Sorry. This means that this function is a odd function, and we know that for odd functions the general formula for this Fourier series representation is a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. And students, sorry, for odd function the value of a naught will be 0 and the value of an will also be 0, and now we have to calculate only the value of bn, where the value of bn can be calculated by the general formula, that is sorry, this value can be calculated by the formula 2 by c integrating from 0 to c the function, and function is a, and sorry, that is sin nx n pi x by c dot dx. So this will be the formula for the odd function to calculate the value of bn. Sorry students, so now we will calculate its value by this formula, and we will get its value 2 by c, and a I will bring outside, and integration of sin n pi x will be minus cos n pi x by c dot c by n pi. Now put the limits from 0 to c over there, and we will get its value 2 by c dot a dot c by n pi into sorry, minus I will take outside common, and inside putting the limits cos n pi c by c minus cos 0. So c will cancel out c there, and its value will become minus 2a by n pi, and bracket start, c will cancel out cancel, so c n pi cos n pi will be minus 1 power n and minus 1. So this minus I am going to take inside, so its value will become 2 by n pi, and inside 1 minus minus 1 power n. So students, for n odd number, if the value of n is odd number, then minus n will be minus 1 power n will be minus 1. If sorry, if n is an even number, then its whole value will become 0. So we will have the value of bn only for odd numbers, and now we will apply the value of bn in this general formula to represent the Fourier series, and we will get its value just like that. F of x will be equals to a naught by 2, that will be 0, plus 0, that is a n bn x, plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn. Bn's value is 2a by n pi into 1 minus minus 1 power n, and sin n pi x by c n pi x by c. Sorry, that was n pi x by c and n pi x by c also. This was also n pi x by c. Now we will put these values, we will put the values of n as an odd numbers, and we will get its value just like that, 2a by n pi, and in the bracket its value will turn into sin pi x by sin n pi x, that will be for the value of n equals to 1, that will be n pi x by c. So sin 1 pi x by c, and here this n I am going to take inside, as this value we also have to put, so this value will become 1 by 1 dot sin 1 pi x by c, plus sorry, 1 by 3 sin 3 pi x by c, plus 1 by 5 sin 5 pi x by c. So this will be the required solution. Now one more thing students here, now just see, if this value is an odd number, okay, this value is an odd number. So this value will turn into 1 plus 1, because this is minus 1 and minus 1 will be plus 1. So this whole value will become 4a. Okay, so this value we can put 4a. Okay, so value will be 4a by n pi, because for odd number of n this value will be minus 1 and minus minus will be plus. So we can write the value of bn. We can write the value of bn 2a by n pi into 1 minus minus 1 power n, and this value at last we have to put this, so this value will turn into 4a by n pi for odd number of terms, and the solution will be 4a by n pi into sine n pi x by c. So this will be the required solution, and finally this value will become 4a by n pi, n will be inside only, and this value will be 4a by pi into 1 by 1 sine pi x by c plus 1 by 3 sine 3 pi x by 3 c plus 1 by 5 sine 5 pi x by c up to dash dash dash. Thank you. Have a good day.